こんにちは、MY ステラの藤原です。今回はミクストロン薬液混入器メンテナンス動画シリーズのエピソード0入門編としてミクストロン社およびミクストロン混入器についての動画を作成しました。はじめにミクストロン比例式混入器の基本ラインナップをご紹介してから混入器のメカニズムと基本動作をご覧いただきます。その後イタリア本社から来日していた営業マネージャーのフェデリコ・ブレヴィニ氏がミクストロン社および薬液混入器についてご説明します。特に後半のインタビューで話されるミクストロン社のポリシーは他社では見られないミクストロンの強みとなっています。ぜひ最後までご覧ください。こちらがミクストロンの薬液混入器になります。サイズは 20mm で、20mm の機種は MX300 や250などがあります。その他にも、40mm の機種 MX900、700、500もしくは 50mm の機種 MX1300 などのラインナップがあります。ミクストロン薬液混入器の動作について簡単にご説明します。今回こちらに透明のデモ機をご準備させていただきました。通常のものは透明のものはありませんので、これはあくまでもデモ用になります。水が流れるとピストンが上下します。このピストンの上下に連動して薬液を吸い上げていきます。薬液が吸い上がってこの中で混合されて出口の方に薬液が送られていきます。それでは実際に動かしてみます。水の流れによってピストンが上下、そのピストンの上下動に合わせて薬液を注入して虹側の方に送り出していきます。流量が少なくなるとピストンの動作はゆっくりになります。ゆっくり吸い上げて虹側の方に送り出していく。比例式薬液混入器と呼ばれるものは流れる流量に比例して吸い上げる量を常に一定に保って混合する機械になります。なので流量が変わったとしても混合の倍率は一定になります。イタリア本社からエリア担当営業マネージャーが来日し、ミクストロン社や混入器の汎用性などについてプレゼンテーションを行ってくださいました。
Good morning, Japan. I'm Federico Brevini, Asia Sales Manager of Mixtron. Mixtron is an Italian company specialized in the production of water-driven dosing pump and high-pressure pumps in technopolymer. Mixtron is an Italian brand and an Italian company. Was born in 2017, but he has a long history before, because it comes from over 50 years of expertise in precision mechanics, in power transmission and hydraulic components. Mixtron delivers advanced technical solution and is always near to the customer, wants to anticipates customer needs and wants to give the best solution to his customers in order to be efficient in every field. So Mixtron has an extensive sales network which operates worldwide. So we have a specialized range of products for a lot of different applications, like metalworking, so mechanical processing, fertigation, water treatment, livestock, car washing, and others. So it works in many different fields. This is where we are. We are based in the north of Italy, in Reggio Emilia. Is the heart of Emilia-Romagna region, which is one of the best region in Italy, maybe the best region in Italy regarding entrepreneuring experience and companies. Mixed Tron headquarters are located there, so we know how to handle processing and combining tradition with innovation. And of course, our products are 100% made in Italy, and we are very proud of this thing, and we want to shout it to the world, because now many companies utilizes products that are manufactured and components that are manufactured in other countries. So we are proud 100% Italian, and we want to shout it to the world. Our range of products goes from a water-driven dosing pump, like you see on the left, and high pressure pumps on the right. These high pressure pumps are not like the common high pressure pump you can find on the market, but is made by technopolymer, which is a high resistant plastic material which can bear big pressures, and it can be used in many applications, like misting application and water desalination application also. Let's do a little focus on the water-driven dosing pump. The water-powered dosing pump, of course, to work in its only water, no electric energy required. So basically it works like that. The water comes in, it activates the piston that goes up and down, up and down. Here you have to imagine like a tank with the liquid. The piston starts drawing the liquid. The liquid goes in this chamber, which is the mixing chamber. So the liquid is mixed with the water, mixed and pushed thanks to the pressure outside, already mixed. So it's a very user-friendly solution, and a very precise solution in order to mix water with any other liquids that is chemical compatible with the material of the dosing pump. Of course, it's a volumetric proportional dosing pump. So if you, for example, set the 0.2% ratio with this button push to adjust, you will have always the 0.2 percentage of dosing, regardless of the water volume inlet. So it's very precise, and it's very repetitive in time. So all you need to do is to attach the water line to the dosing pump to the water line, and it does the rest. So this is a little a brief comparison to the other types of dosing pumps there are on the market. So you find the Mixed Tron dosers, so the water-driven, proportional and volumetric. The Venturi pumps, which is like the ancestor of the dosing pumps. It means that Venturi pumps is a very cheap solution for the customers, but it doesn't guarantee you the precision and the accuracy and the reliability of the dosing pump, because you cannot change, of course, the dosing ratio, and of course it is not proportional and volumetric, so it's less precise than a mixtron doser. And of course the electric pump is another solution for the customers, but of course in that case you have to be aware of the fact that you need electricity to do so. So it's not very user friendly for many people, because they have not the possibility to have electricity, and also for certain application, for example fertigation in open field, it's not very easy to have electricity in the middle of a big field, for example. So and of course it's the mixtron dosing pump and the water-driven dosing pump, it's a lot more affordable for people, because of course electricity costs a lot. So all over the world now electricity has big prices, is increased a lot in costs. So cut this kind of cost, it's an advantage for everyone. Of course, also the mixtron dosing pumps have a possibility of a simple cleaning and maintenance compared to the others. Of course, Venturi is almost impossible to clean, and of course electric pumps, based on the fact that they are attached to electricity, it is a lot more difficult. And of course the mixtron dosing pump has the possibility to be moved, so it can be positioned in very different position. So all you need to do is take it off the water line and position it in another water line. So it's very easy and user friendly. Another important thing, of course, is that electric pump needs to be set. So it needs to have a program based on electricity. On the other hand, all you need to do with a dosing pump, with the mixtron dosing pump, is to push the button, adjust the dosing percentage you would like to have, and that's it. Because our dosing pump has a lock. So once you stop this and you find the correct dosage, it will stop, and it is like a sort of lock. So you are sure that the position, the dosing ratio you set, it will be this one. So these are our main application fields regarding the dosing pumps. So we have the metalworking application in order to dose lubricants and oil with water, which is a method now that basically every company utilize in their production, because the dosing pump is a reliable and efficient tool to give a good lubrication to, I don't know, maybe CNC machineries on other machinery utilized in the company. Of course, livestock breeding to dose and to give the chicks or poultry in general, or also swine, of course, a correct dosage of vitamins or nutrients, water-soluble nutrients, and so on. So water treatment, of course, in order to purify water and to add substances in the water soluble substances to water in order to purify it. Also care washing system in order to dose water with soaps or wax to clean cars and wheels, and fertigation, of course. Fertigation also is one of our most important fields in order to dose additives with water and to give to the plants in order for them to grow with health and grow strong. And also, of course, last but not least, the chemical and pharmaceutical in order to dose substances that can be used to produce and create chemical solution, of course. And thank you for your kind attention. I'm very happy to introduce Mixtron brand to Japan and to all our Japanese customers. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will become soon Mixtron members. And so we are here, and we hope you will choose Mixtron as your partner for good and productive dosage. Of course, we are not alone here in Japan, but we have a great ally, which is MY Stella, which is our partner for fertigation and livestock application, which is helping us to spread our brand awareness in Japan. We are very happy to cooperate with them. For further information, please contact Mixtron or MY Stella here in Japan to have more information and to have a consultation also regarding our products and its applications. Thank you very much. ありがとう。
フェデリコ氏のお人柄の良さが垣間見えるインタビューとなっています。
Good morning to you all. I'm Federico Brevini, Asia Sales Manager and Italy Sales Manager of Mixtron. Today I will explain you some main features of our dosing pumps and what are the main characteristics and what are the difference between our dosing pump and the other brands of dosing pump in the products and in the way of working. Let's start with the products. So the main difference between our products and all the rest is the fact that as on the internal parts and the inserts are all in stainless steel AZ316L, so it is a very robust and strong product. Also the technopolymer we use on the outside, so the body, the cap, and also the motor pump is a nag resistant technopolymer. So if you, for example, toss it on the ground, it won't break because it's very tough. And also the main difference between the other is every part of the Mixtron pump is screwed, so it makes it a very efficient, precise and reliable product in a more industrial product than the other ones, and so it's a different approach to the dosing pumps respect the others, because we wanted to produce a dosing pump that can be more an industrial tool. In fact, our dosing pump can be used also in a metalworking application, so it means it is a very tough and strong product. And yeah, the main thing is that we wanted to be different from others and to do a dosing pump that can resist and can last for a long time without giving any problem. And that's what we aim to do every single morning in our office, in our warehouse. So we want to be the best dosing pump possible, and we want to improve every day, and so we want to give the best solution and the best product to the customer. And that's the main difference in the product realization. But our way of working is very different from the rest of the other dosing pump brands, because we want to be not only a manufacturer to our customers, but we want to be like a friend, like a company which is near their customers and his customers, and he wants to help his customers to utilize this pump in the best way possible. And of course, we want to be always present for the customers, like a friend. I mean that if it's a problem, you call and we answer in the fastest way possible. If, for example, you need a spare parts, we will give these spare parts to you. And if you have any suggestion, any request before selling, even on chemical compatibility with the liquid to the dosing pump, we are there to answer you. So we want to be present in every aspect of the game with our customers. So I think that the main differential, apart from the dosing pumps, which is, in my opinion, the most improved dosing pump you can find in the market right now, is that our way of working. Our way of working is what differentiates us from the rest of the people, and that's what we want to do every single day, to be different and to be present for our customers. As I said before, we are near to the customers. We talk to the customer a lot. We want to be near them. So every suggestion and every information that a customer can give us, we carry it and we try and see if we can apply to the dosing pump in order to make him the best version of himself. So we never stop in growing, we never stop in developing new solution, and thanks to the customers, we will not reach the perfection, but at least we will try it. So I wanted to tell them both of the parts, because it's important also the human side of the company. We want to really explain this to the people in order Like I said yesterday, we want not to have a relationship like manufacturer distributor, but person to person. So that's what Mixtron is and wants to be. It wants to be a company which is a friend to their customer and helps them in use this kind of tools in the best way possible in order to achieve great things that can be growing some chicks, growing some plants, give the best lubrication to their metal pieces. But the most important thing for us is to be near the customer. We are very young though, so we have a lot of history to come, a lot to learn, because people never stop learning all their lives. So we are not reached the perfection. We not say we reached the perfection. We are trying to reach it. We will get it, not the perfection, but almost there. But now we think that the product is in a very good position in order to be competitive and be the best possible solution for our customers. So now we are in the moment where the only thing that we have to do is spread our brand awareness all over the world, because the products are perfect now, are very good. So the only thing we're missing now is to arrive all over the world. We are now already selling all over the world. We have a distributor here in Japan, in South Korea, in Germany, in Netherlands, in Spain as well, and many other countries. But of course, talking to my distributor and our distributor in all over the world, the feeling is that we are not yet arrived at the moment of a full expansion, and that's our goal, to arrive at a full expansion. Whenever I want to arrive at the point that whenever I go, they know Mixtron. Now we are not at this point right now, but I'm sure, and I'm very sure we will arrive at this point very soon, thanks to the help of our partners. So I have great feelings for the future, and I can't wait to spread our brand awareness all over the world and become the first dosing pump manufacturer of the world. That's our goal. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, Japanese friends and customers. I'm here in Japan right now in order to extend our brand awareness here, because I heard that we are not well known in this country right now. What can I say to you? I can say to you that you can trust us, you can believe in the Mixtron product, because yes, we are an European Italian brand, but we have a different mentality from the other. We have the mentality to be near to you, to be present for you. If you need any help, we are here. Thanks also to MY Stella help. We can achieve great things together, and I can't wait you to try our dosing pumps in order to touch with your hand the quality and the reliability of these kind of pumps that can help you to deliver good and achieve good and great things in every application. For example, if you have a greenhouse, we can suggest you the best product for this greenhouse. If you have a metal working company, we can suggest you the best version for this metal working application. So we are here for you, and thanks to your help, we will become a great. We are already, but we'll become even a greater company, and we will become the best version of ourselves. And that can be possible only because of you. So trust Mistron, trust MY Stella, and arigato for all, and have a good day. Thank you.
私たち MY ステラはミクストロン製品を通じてお客様の現場を支え、より良い環境づくりをお手伝いしています。エピソード0ではその思いと製品の魅力をお伝えしました。次回から始まるメンテナンスシリーズもぜひご覧ください。ご視聴ありがとうございました。